Hey there and welcome. As your customer success representative, I'm really excited to walk you through this. If you're looking to save a ton of time and make your call logging practically effortless, you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to get your MyOperator and Zendesk accounts talking to each other, and you'll see just how simple it is.
So let's just jump right in. Does this feel familiar? A customer calls, you have a great conversation, and then you have to stop what you're doing to manually type up a ticket in Zendesk. It's tedious, right? It slows you down and pulls you away from the more important stuff, like actually helping more customers.
Well, what if you never had to do that again? That's exactly what this integration is for. It's designed to completely automate that whole process, building a perfect, seamless bridge between your phone calls and your help desk. So what does this actually look like in action? Well, for starters, it automatically creates a Zendesk ticket for every single call, no exceptions. If an agent answers, the ticket goes straight to them. If a call is missed, it's routed to a specific admin or group so it never gets lost. And the best part? All the important details like the call duration, the customer's number, and even a link to the recording are captured right there in the ticket. It's a total game changer.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, how do I get this set up? It's super easy. First, we're just going to gather 4 key pieces of information. Think of it like getting your ingredients ready before you start cooking. Having these on hand will make the whole process go incredibly fast.
So here's your simple checklist. First, you'll need your Zendesk subdomain. That's the Acme part of acme.zendesk.com. Next is something called a Zendesk API token. And don't worry, we'll cover exactly how to get that in a sec. Then you'll need your main MyOperator service number. And last, but this one is really important, you'll want to do a quick check to make sure your agent's email addresses are exactly the same in both MyOperator and Zendesk. That's the key to making sure tickets go to the right person every time. All right, let's talk about that API token for a moment. What is this thing really? You can think of it like a secure digital handshake. It's the key that allows MyOperator to talk to Zendesk safely, so all your call information can be passed over securely and automatically. It's absolutely crucial for the whole thing to work.
And getting one is really straightforward. You just pop into your Zendesk Admin Center, head over to the API section, make sure token access is turned on, and then click Add API Token. Now, here's a super important tip. The moment that token appears, copy it and paste it somewhere safe. For security, Zendesk will only show it to you one time, so you've got to grab it right away.
So, once you have those 4 pieces of info ready, guess what? The hardest part is already over. Seriously, your main job is done. The next step is just to hand it off to us, and we'll handle the rest.
You don't have to mess with any of the technical stuff. All you need to do is copy this email template you see on the screen. Just fill in your details, your subdomain, that API token you just saved, and your MyOperator number, and shoot it over to our team at support@myoperator.com. That's it. We'll take it from there.
So, what happens after you hit send? Well, you can sit back and relax. Our tech team will jump on it right away. They'll handle all the behind-the-scenes configuration to get everything connected and running smoothly. We'll give you a shout as soon as it's all set and ready for a quick test.
Okay, so after our team gives you the thumbs up, there's just one last little thing to do, and that's to run a quick test on your end just to see the magic happen and make sure everything is working just the way it should.
And validating is super simple. You're just going to run 2 quick tests. For test number 1, just place a call and have an agent pick it up. You should see a new ticket instantly appear in Zendesk, already assigned to that agent. For test number 2, place another call, but this time, let it ring out. You should see another ticket get created, but this one will be assigned to your admin or whatever default group you have set up. Easy, right? Now, this integration is incredibly reliable, but just in case anything seems a little off, we want you to feel totally prepared. So let's quickly cover a couple of common scenarios and how to fix them in seconds.
For example, let's say tickets are going to the wrong agent. 9 times out of 10, the cause is just a tiny mismatch in that agent's email address between MyOperator and Zendesk. A quick update fixes it. Or what if no tickets are showing up at all? That probably just means the API token has expired. You just generate a new one and let our support team know. As you can see, the fixes are usually very quick and simple.
And that's really all there is to it. You've done it. Manual ticket creation is officially a thing of the past. You can now rest easy knowing that every single customer call is being logged, tracked, and assigned in Zendesk automatically without anyone on your team having to lift a finger. Of course, if you have any questions at all, please remember our support team is always here and happy to help you succeed. But now that this is all automated, I have a new question for you. What are you going to do with all that time you've just saved?
We're so excited to see how this helps you focus on what truly matters, building fantastic relationships with your customers. Thanks so much for your time.